Alright guys, so today I am sanding down the front of the Hell horn. Basically the cage is metal. As you saw, if you watched my other video, I installed it with the bike. Currently it's red. It's a little bit too much for me. I was going to spray it matte black. I'm going to see how this turns out. I have some leftover silver metallic wheel paint that I used on my old Audi wheels. So just because I think it will blend well enough in the front. Again, this is going to be dark metallic up there instead of red. I'm going to spray paint this and basically take that off easily and just swap over the metal covering so I'm not without a horn for too long. Alright, so I used 60 grit sandpaper, 150, just random sandpaper I had laying around. I'm not going to worry about the back because that's still painted nice and no one will ever see that mounted against the horn. So let me give that a whirl. I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Alright, just kidding. So actually, I did paint the insides of the new one because, as you can see from the cage, and I'm glad I did the video, you can see inside the actual cage, like right there. You can see inside the cage of the horn. So I went ahead and sanded down the inside. Again, gonna hit it. Probably do 3 total coats. I'll let you know. All right. So again, I'm using Tuple color, wheel color, gray metallic. Shaking it up. Let's go back and forth. It's a little windy, not perfect, but we'll make it work. Just gonna do a light coat, flip this guy over. Doesn't have to be perfect right now. Also, do this in some place ventilated, normal paint procedures, wear a mask, all that good stuff. All right, that's probably good. I'll flip this guy over. Let's see what this even says. Apply 3 coats followed by 1 medium wet coat. Apply all coats within an hour, allowing 10 minutes between each coat. So wait 10 minutes, hit it again. All right, so I've done about 4 coats total, top and bottom, front and back. I've just basically been flipping it. I think I'm gonna do a couple more. It's looking pretty good. And then I'll let it dry. Might do a clear coat and then put this back on the bike. All right guys, so after I believe 5 coats of color and 2 coats of clear. This is what it's looking like up super close. But again, I just want to hide a little bit, make it not as prominent from the front of the bike. I'm not sure if the silver will look good or not, to be honest. We'll see. I can always spray black over it, so matte black, which is what I thought I had in stock in my shelf, but had the leftover car paint, so we'll see how this goes. All right, so this is how the horn cover came out after the 4 or 5 coats of color, metallic, graphite, and clear coat. Came out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this horn off, take the screw off, undo the 2 wires. I'm gonna use the same horn and basically just swap the covers. Just have to use small pliers on the back to hold that and a little screwdriver on the front. All right, guys, so here's the Hello horn, painted graphite. I think it's looking pretty good, blending in pretty nicely. I don't think I will mess with it. Still works, I just tested it. So again, from far away, can't really notice it. It's still really loud.